To update a DSC, you need to first acquire a new and valid DSC and install it on your computer. Assuming that you have already installed the mSigner plugin and a valid DSC on your computer, start by logging in to the GST portal. From the dashboard screen, click the downward arrow beside your username to open the profile menu and select the Register and Update DSC option. From the next screen that appears, open the drop-down list to select the PAN of the authorized signatory for whom you wish to update the DSC. Select the desired authorized signatory from the list. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll select Aurora T. Raj. Since this user already has an old DSC registered in the system, the portal will detect that and show the option to either view the certificate or to update it. Go ahead and click the Update button. Click Continue and select the newly installed DSC from the list that appears in the mSigner window. Assuming that a new DSC of Aurora T. Raj is already installed, I'll select it here and click the Sign button. Remember, the GST portal will validate the PAN associated with the selected DSC against the PAN of the authorized signatory that was selected from the list. If both PAN matches, the system will display a confirmation message indicating that the selected DSC has been successfully updated. Aurora T. Raj can now continue to use his DSC in the GST portal. It's that simple.